Marhaban and welcome to another video. This is Muhammad Dakri from Community of Babel. Today we are going to study the imperative, the commands in Standard Arabic. For three-letter verbs like kataba, yaktub, it's very easy. We just conjugate the verb in the present. So kataba, yaktub. And then we replace the ya, we replace the first letter with o. So yaktub becomes uktub. Uktub, the masculine, the singular masculine. So uktub, right, when I'm talking to a man. If I'm talking to a woman, it's uktubi. So it's uktub, but we add e, ya. So it's uktubi. And the plural is uktubu, we just add waw plus alif. So, but the alif is not, it's silent. So it's uktubu. So uktub, uktubi, uktub. مثلا اكتبوا الدرس. اكتبي الدرس. اكتب الدرس. أو اكتب اسمك. اكتبي اسمك. اكتبوا اسمكم. And another example is نظر. نظر, so the verb to look. So انظر, look. انظري, look. If you talk to a woman, look. انظري. أو انظروا with this wow. So انظروا, look. مثلا انظر إلى الكتاب. Look at the book. So انظر إلى الكتاب أو انظر إلى التلفاز أو التلفزيون. التلفزيون is just more casual. So انظر إلى التلفزيون. Another example is جلس, to sit down. جلس, يجلس. So because we have here kasra under the lam on the second letter of the verb, so we put kasra on the alif, so it's ijlis, not o, but a. So ijlis, sit. But it's rude. Of course, we use tafaddal. If you remember our previous video about the verb tafaddal, is more polite to use to invite someone to come in, to enter, or to sit down. So so I will put the link in the description below. So ijlis, sit down. Ijlisi, for a woman. Ijlisu, ijlis, ijlisi, ijlisu. For longer verbs like istakhdama, yastakhdim. Istakhdama, yastakhdim, we conjugate the verb in the present tense, and we replace the first letter with, for example, istakhdama, yastakhdim, we remove the ya, and then we put e, alif with kasra. So استخدم, use. مثلا استخدم التليفون, use the phone. استخدم التليفون. استخدم الإيميل الخاص بك. خاص بك is your own email, the email that belongs to you. الخاص بك. But we will discuss this form of possession in another video. So استخدم الإيميل الخاص بك, use your email. Another form is are the verbs that start with ta, like تعلم, to learn, تكلم, to speak. So تعلم, we don't add alif, so تعلم in the past, it's just يتعلم, it's تعلم, learn, تعلم. تكلم, تكلم, speak. An example is تكلموا, تكلموا بالعربية. تكلموا بالعربية, speak in Arabic. تكلموا بالعربية. أو تعلمي الإنجليزية, for example. تعلمي الإنجليزية, learn English if you're talking to a woman. For a man is تعلم الإنجليزية. So that's the imperative in Standard Arabic. I hope it's clear and useful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.